Did you know that if you like or comment a YouTube video, it is 10 times more likely to be shared to other people? Think of all those other people out there, just sitting, bored, looking for a channel just like mine. And if you simply like or comment, you might make that come true for that person. Man, what a difference you could make.
One light, one light, one light. Oh, you'll sing with me. The one light, one light, one light.
My mom is starting. Find the color she likes for the trim inside. I'm hungry.
Okay.
And first of all, I want to do pictures.
You don't think that looks blue?
It's more like blue gray.
Interesting. I think we wanted it between a blue and a gray.
Yeah. Did Ellie show you mine? My what I'm making? Well, then I'll show you because.
Oh yeah, she showed me.
You can try to give me. I'll go here, huh? People
50% white doesn't look that much different.
That one. And in the box it says next count only 1 second.
No, they don't know how to open it. They took it from someone.
Oh.
I knew you'd fit me like a glove the day I fell in love with the way you said my name. I know it sounds crazy, baby, try to understand me, please do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I knew you'd fit me like a glove the day I fell in love with the pictures in my head. I know it sounds crazy, maybe one day I could share them.
I'm in the blueberry hoop house that we put up this spring, and I'm ready to mulch again because I have a lot of fallen leaves that I chopped up with the lawnmower, and I'm gonna try to use them just as really good like weed protection in the blueberries, and I'll show you what it looks like. Right next to the blueberry plants right now I have pine needles, and I think that works really well for blueberries. And then I have wood chips on either side. I ran out of landscaping fabric. I only did the landscaping fabric right underneath the fencing on both sides, and you can tell where I stopped because that kind of snuck in. I had cardboard out there, but it didn't hold the weeds down at all.
You are the summer, we were the tide, the clearest of azure, bright as your eyes, golden skin sundress, you were the skies, and I see the color I've known all my life. We are timeless, we are timeless. Waves washing over the sand on my feet. Time is an ocean and I'm lost at sea. Tomorrow won't find us, but I still believe. Searching for you is looking for me. We are timeless. We are timeless. We are timeless. We are timeless. You are water, I am frozen. Skies are moving, I'm standing still. In the shadows of your twilight, I am falling. I am falling. I am falling.
Sarah painted earlier today, and in her wet paint she's finding a whole bunch of little tiny black flies. Apparently she's experienced this before. And all you gotta do is just, look real careful, pick out each one.
No big deal.
It's kind of chilly tonight, so there aren't any bugs right now. So I guess that's good. So we're lucky that it's cold out, or else we'd have a major problem probably with bugs sticking to it.
Well, considering it's hopefully my last coat,
Yeah,
that's why I want them off.
yeah, that's
I
true.
usually just paint over whatever stuck to it.
Just a good example of why blown insulation isn't the best method. You miss spots. Like this didn't have any in it either. Well, it had some, but not like those. And I get it, you're trying to do it in the wall after the fact, but is it better than zero insulation? Well, yeah, definitely, but it isn't the best, but it's not the worst either.
Ace my test, I guess that I'm the best, I guess that I off the edge. And all I'll ever be is riding next to me, spotting on my screen, sunburn down on me. And I hope that you watch it. That you watch this, I hope that you will. I hope you feel better about these cards you left. Be alive with me. You wasted too much time. Like the stars in me, I feel so alive. I feel in my spite I'll push you around, 'cause I hear the horses are coming, and it won't be long. I will always have open eyes. I've come alive. I will hold you awake, my dear. Won't you come with me? Won't you take my hand? Telling me to slow down, take it in stride. Took another fall, but I feel alright. If I just play the game,
I was just looking at this copper pipe. Pretty good size holes. Look at that one. So that's technically just an air vent from that elbow up. That is, that's probably reached its useful life. All right, I'm right at this window here. I wanted to show you this. Some sort of, well, I'll let you guess what did that. And I'll give you a hint. We don't have termites in New York. Not in northern New York, at least. It's too cold. I think that's gonna do it for today. It's about 3 o'clock. I'm kind of tired. I got all the electrical stuff down. I thought that was gonna be harder than it was. It wasn't too bad. I denailed all of that side, and still need to denail the ceiling and this side. Obviously, we still have a lot of cleanup to do. But you know, for the most part, it's almost done as far as the demo upstairs. Just basically, once I clean it and I get every little bit of wood out of my way and, you know, make sure all the electrical's gone, that's done. And then I'll be moving back downstairs to finish the downstairs. Downstairs has quite a bit of demo left. It's pretty much all of the exterior walls still need to be demoed, and the ceiling in the what used to be the kitchen. So that's a lot more demo, a lot more wood and sheetrock. But once that's done, it won't be too bad, and then I can get to this floor. That's where I'm going to start.